Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this reveal on my new Balenciaga bag, and it's actually my very first Balenciaga in my bag collection. I think this bag definitely made me want to have a Balenciaga piece in my closet, and I'm hoping maybe I'll add some more pieces. But for now, let's go ahead and share and reveal the bag that I got. And also, before I move forward, if you want to hear the whole story behind this bag and why I ended up choosing this, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this beauty and share with you guys. So it came in this beautiful box right here, and I've already seen the bag itself, so holding it upside down so it's no surprise. And let's do this around here. So I'm actually really excited that I finally get to do this reveal, because I've been honestly so busy, and I was able to finally put my son to sleep today, and I was like, I'm going to get to it. I will be filming this video, and I did it. Here I am in the middle of the night doing this thing. Okay, whoa, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, too soon. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna hold it up. The shape is different. It's very different than any bag that I would normally see at Balenciaga. And I present to you guys this beauty. It is the Balenciaga Hourglass, and the reason why they named it Hourglass is because of the shape. As you guys could see, it kind of has that beautiful curve on the bottom. It is all black hardware. It's like black coated as well. Just want to kind of focus it. So it's all black hardware, and it's black coated just all around, even the strap detailing, but I'll show you guys that after. And it's crocodile embossed, and it has like a little pocket in the back here. I absolutely love this handle. I think this handle just makes the bag so beautiful. It's like you know, you could just hold it like this when you're going for dinner, and if you'd like to wear it crossbody, you could definitely do that as well. I'll show you guys that in a little. Just want to show you guys the inside of this bag. Although it is a small bag, but it has a big wide compartment, and just one small little pocket there, which could actually fit a lot because it's like a stretchable pocket. I think it's just beautiful overall. I'm loving the feel of the leather. It's so beautifully structured. It is definitely like one of the most structured bags that I have, besides my YSL red one that I have. I forget what the name of that. I think it's the Sunset. And yeah, so I just really think, oh, and then I just kind of wanted to show you guys the details on the hardware here. Not sure if that's catching it, but yeah, it's all just black coated. And another thing, it's like literally it has holes from one end to the other end, so it's like however short or long you'd like, you can wear this. I personally haven't been wearing it on my shoulder. I have just been kind of wearing it as a crossbody, because with baby Nate, it's like you always have to be ready for whatever is coming up. So I do need to have it be comfortable. So I just kind of put it like so. It's just really beautiful. And then, ouch, that was painful. It's okay, it's a Balenciaga. Anyways, so, and then if I want to go out for dinner or any parties, I could just hold it like that. I can even wear it crossbody to a party. I think it's just so fun. It's beautiful, and it's such a classic piece. It's definitely something new. I do not think that Balenciaga has ever done a piece like this, so this was definitely something that they were trying out and something new to their line, and I think it's definitely going to be doing great. and so far I've been loving this bag. It's a classic black bag, and I love the hardware. It's all black. Initially I was going to be getting the one that was just black leather with rusty gold hardware, and my husband definitely changed my mind on that. He was like, no, this is just more of a statement piece and a classic piece. I was just looking for something that was a black bag with gold hardware. But you know what, I actually do not mind. It is definitely a statement piece, and I could see this turning into an amazing vintage piece. If you guys know anything about me, I absolutely love bags that will age beautifully. So I think this will definitely be one bag that I will be keeping for a very long time. And this one is in the size small, and they also come in size extra small. So I tried the extra small. I just felt like it was just too small. It was very cute, still pretty, but I did need a bit more space, and I just like this size better. And it is already kind of small for the small, so this was perfect. And I don't know, there was also a size medium. I tried the size medium. I don't know, I'm kind of debating now. I don't know if I should get the size medium, but I think this is a perfect size. It's just beautiful, and it's pretty lightweight for crocodile impulse. So I know it's definitely going to be my staple piece for my winter and fall wardrobe. So I'm actually excited to show you guys many different outfits, and I'll probably insert a clip somewhere in between this video to kind of show you guys how I would dress this bag up. So yeah, I'm really excited. And oh, also another thing, there's going to be a graffiti event that I'm probably going to be attending, because I did get an invite from Balenciaga on Rodeo. So I'm very excited for that. I'm probably going to put my initials and maybe Nate's birth date. So we'll see. I hope I could kind of take you guys along with me for this. So let's see what happens, and I'll kind of show you guys. I'm thinking also maybe I might do just Balenciaga across, and then inside maybe, or on the side over here, I'll do Nate's birthday initials. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so happy to finally reveal this baby. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys have not subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have already subscribed, then go ahead and click that bell button there, so every time I post a new video, you guys will be getting a notification. I just wanted to say thank you for everybody that has been supporting me so far. It really means a lot, and it definitely helps me and my channel, and I'm really grateful. Also check out my other videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.